Hey, welcome back to Driveway Customs. Today we're doing a UHF radio on a budget. I just picked up one of my mates' old UHF radios, got it for free. You can typically pick these things up for 50 to 100 bucks. All you gotta do is have a set of hand crimpers or a soldering iron and have a drill, and you're pretty much set. Make sure you got either tabs on your bull bar or you can weld them on, and somewhere to mount it in the cab. So after with a bit of persuasion from a drill and our file, we got a hole big enough for the plug to fit through. So now I'm just going to hit it with a bit of touch-up paint because it took a bit of paint off. Yeah, it's alright, not too bad. It's the underside like. Oh yeah, we can put some up there. Just give it a quick dab.
What do you reckon? Switch it?
Yeah.
Yeah, just send that. Hold up.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Righto. Now I guess we wait for that to dry and we start the install. So if you remember from our boost gauge video, that's where we ran our boost line and our wiring. And so we've just drilled another hole in that firewall there, and that's where we're running our UHF line for our antenna. Alright, so we're getting to the point where we are about to actually put the radio on, and so we're just going to put the Ariel on now. So basically what I think you'll have on most of them is this little washer which bolts down to your bracket or your mounting tab on your bull bar or wherever you're mounting it. You could be mounting it on your tub or something like that, or your tray. And yeah, and so that screws down, that clamps it down so it doesn't move around, so the actual unit doesn't move around. And then we basically will be able to screw this on. I know some are different, some are a single piece that slides in and screws up, but this one comes apart, so it's pretty easy install, I think, in my opinion it is. And yeah, just like that. That's it. Not going anywhere. So this is only a temporary mounting slot, so I'm just going to have it there. It is not the prettiest because the wires will be running down there, but I'm going to make a bracket to go in there. There's a screw there and there's mounting for a bracket either side there. It didn't come with one, it's second hand obviously, so I don't know what the last people that did with it, because the last people that owned it, it had it sitting in there in an 80 series and it doesn't fit in there. It's not much too wide. So I'm going to get it to mount there eventually, but for now I've just got some Velcro and I'm just sticking it down there, and yeah, hopefully that holds. I'll put pictures on my Instagram, Driveway Customs. That'll be where you can see the finished product of it there. Probably by the end of a couple of weeks I'll have a bracket made up and ready to mount, so yeah. So I've got the handpiece mounted with another bit of Velcro, and yeah. It's not the best position, I know, but that looks alright. I'm going to get all little brackets to make and mount for this, but in the meantime, you make do. So this is it all wired up. That's where it's sitting right now. It's in a alright location. It's got 40 channels. I've tested it out with one of my mates. It works, it's really clear. It's probably about a few kilometers away from my house, and I heard him really clear, so it's not too bad. There's the handpiece. It's pretty good mounted there. It's pretty fast for me to just reach around behind my steering wheel. If you've got any questions about this install and specifics of how we did it and how we wired it up and what we used, I'll link some information down below of all the tools you need and all of the crimp fittings and stuff you'll need to wire it all up. And pretty much message me on Driveway Customs if you have any questions, or just leave a comment with your at and I can get back to you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned because next time we're going to be mounting my Max Trucks on the roof and showing you how to do that with just some simple roof racks. And even if you don't have roof racks, there's another way we can show you on a tub or a tray. And the video after that will be probably us making some mud flaps or even full driving. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.